Hi, Gia at YarnArt here. Hope everyone's doing well. Thanks for joining us for this unboxing of our latest yarn haul. All of these yarns are available at the YarnArt website. You don't have to buy a full pack. You can buy one skein or two skeins or whatever you need. And we have lower shipping costs from the United States. We are getting new yarns in every week. We also sell mystery bags of ice yarns so you can sample yarns at a lower price to see which ones you like the best. And we also have crochet alongs, free crochet patterns, and we're happy to answer any questions you have about crochet or yarn. So enjoy this unboxing and let me know what you think of these amazing yarns. I did want to show you these metallic crochet threads and metallic yarns that came in that'll be great for Christmas projects. There's a few other different yarns in there, so have a look and let me know what you think. All right on top is Alpaca Punto. That's for me. I can't get any more of the blue color that I like that you saw in my previous video, 63187. So I got some more of the brown, which is okay. It's actually really pretty, but I wanted more blue. Maybe they'll get it soon. Not sure how to pronounce this. It's Vicosa Brillante. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I am terrible with foreign pronunciations, unfortunately. This is 65232, and I'll put the color names on the screen because they are not on the labels right now. But this looks like thin cord yarn. And this is a silvery gold color. And then we got some in the silver color. And we got some in red. These colors are 2 weights, and it is 70% viscose and 30% polyamide. Super shiny. Very 57033 viscose star. This is 85% viscose and 15% metallic lurex. You can see the thread there. It's really pretty. It says it's a 3 weight. So I'm not sure what you would make with this, but it's really pretty. Very super sparkly. Let's see if we can get some of those sparkles in the light. Really pretty. Okay, next we have 3 packs of amigurumi, if that's how you say that, cotton 25, 3 shades of purple, 62419, 62420, and 62417. This is a 2-weight fine, and it is 50% cotton and 50% acrylic. 25-gram balls, 80 meters. Very nice. Pretty color. These are just gorgeous. Gorgeous colors. Let's look at the ball. Here's a fiber for you. Very soft, really soft. Really pretty. Next we have number 65908, and this is Rainbow Solid Fuchsia. This is great color. It's 100% premium acrylic. Premium acrylic. Just beautiful. Very soft. Next item, 45930, Ragno Brown. This is a 50-gram ball. It is a 2-weight fine, and it is 100% acrylic. It's got a little fuzz to it. Got a little fuzz there. Very soft as well. Next is 63220. This is 3 different shades. 1 dark brown, 1 light brown, and 1 variegated. Light and dark, that match. And they match perfectly. This is actually 4 strings together. So it's a 4-weight. And it is 100% anti-pilling acrylic. And this is a 100-gram. These are 100-gram skeins. Number 65453, Alpha Centauri, Orange Light Turquoise Lilac. This is cool. A lot of people have been ordering this yarn this week. Really pretty colors. This is a 3-weight yarn. It is 50-gram ball, 13% mohair, 37% acrylic, and 50% polyamide. These colors are really great. Check that out. Really pretty. Number 21644. This is macrame cord lilac. We did have some macrame cord ordered last week, and this is another color. This is a great, beautiful lilac. Just gorgeous. This is a 3-weight, and it is 100-gram ball, and it's 100% polyester. This color is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Chain spun, silky, shiny, really pretty. And we got several orders of YarnArt Tulip yarn ordered. And these are also very new to me. I normally don't work with the super thin yarns. We have 52261 and 17308, Tulip Cream and Tulip Light Beige on the top. And then we have 17334 and 52260, Tulip Gray Camel White on top, and Mink Tulip on the bottom. This is really familiar with this one. This is the Camel Gray. This is 70% polyester and 30% metallic. Several colors are in here. 52250, silver. 17352 is gold, yellowy gold. 52251, silvery copper. 34766, camel silver. 17349, gold cream. 17347, silver lilac. 17342, silver black. 17346, silver blue. 17345, silver red. 52252, silver gold. 52254, silver light blue. 52255, blue. 63078, green. 52256, silver orchid. And the very last one, 52257, silver burgundy. Well, those are really pretty. I can't wait to see what they make with that. So I didn't show you what the Camellia looks like. Very sparkly, very shiny. This is the black silver. Let's see if I can find an end. Again, it is very thin. And thanks for watching, and everybody have a great day or evening wherever you are. Bye!